As Argentine writer Borges once said, all theories are legitimate no matter what. What matters is what you do with them. In order to improve your own skills, it is vital to have an understanding of some of the theories that underpin leadership. We'll now look at 9 of the best-known leadership theories in under 5 minutes. The first is the trait theory of leadership. This examines the specific personality traits a leader should adopt in order to lead effectively. It's a simple theory in the sense that it claims that these traits distinguish between leaders and non-leaders, and implies that you simply have to behave in a certain way to lead effectively. However, there are many strands of different traits that have been identified, with no single set confirmed as the ideal for all circumstances. So this theory can be overwhelming to attempt in practice. The skills theory of leadership was developed from the trait theory. Just like the trait theory, it tries to identify a set of key attributes that makes a leader effective. But in this case, they are practical skills rather than personality traits. This implies that you need to employ technical skills within your field. In other words, you need to be good at what you are doing for people to want to follow you. You need people skills like diplomacy and empathy, but also conceptual skills like the ability to see the big picture and think tactically across the whole company. The style leadership theory moves away from who the leader is and what they know, and instead focuses on what they do. Probably the best-known style-based theory is the managerial grid. This means that a leader will engage in 2 types of behaviour: people-oriented, focusing on relationships within the company, and performance-oriented, focused on the activity within the company. This is a solid foundation to work from, but there is more to this to being an effective leader. Situational leadership theory argues that there is not a one-size-fits-all model. It considers that there will be a certain leadership style that will work better than others in various situations. Therefore, a leader must be adaptable. A closely connected idea is the contingency theory, which is similar to situational, as it states that there is no better way to lead a company. The best course of action is dependent on the situation. However, the leader's own style may be less adaptable in this case. That's where transactional leadership and transformational leadership come in. These 2 theories that can be considered together, transactional leadership implies an exchange between leader and the follower. This means motivating and directing followers through appealing to their own self-interests. It is the leader's job to find the right mix of rewards and punishments based on the individuals, and then monitor how this affects performance. The theory of transformational leadership is, by contrast, about changing individuals and systems within the company to improve the overall organisation. This is a much more nurturing leadership style, getting results through proactively transforming the environment and guiding those within it through the change. Leader-member exchange theory is similar to transactional because it suggests that leadership is about a fair exchange between the leader and the follower. However, this incidentally creates 2 groups, an in-group and an out-group, which can, in turn, affect performance. Finally, there is the servant leadership theory, which is a blend of transformational and transactional. This theory implies that the leader acts in a serving manner rather than being served. Essentially, they take into account the follower's needs as a priority. This creates an environment of trust and cooperation, which can result in a higher performing team. People follow because they feel appreciated, not out of fear or necessity. So that sums up 9 of the most recognised leadership theories. The more you investigate and understand them, the more successful you will be as a leader in your career.